time you want.
Come on. When did it stop? I was so scared.
Yeah, we just went. We didn't go back. We walked right in front of them down to the water into your pocket and stuff.
I've had to go. Really?
Well, he had a memory card. He had a memory card.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a memory card. I said, okay, we'll just bring him to work.
I think you guys tried it out.
Oh, that. That's her being. All one.
It was my camera.
True essence of the loyalty was all one, all created together. But then it got misconstrued. We're all one of them.
Did you get your camera back?
Huh?
Did you find your camera?
I never lost my camera.
Okay, good.
You noticed that, didn't you?
Oh, it's wet.
No, Brian was swimming with it in his pocket the other night. Friday and went to cross stream and hopped in there. I just walked right out by him and jumped in the river and swam down.
I'm waiting to see a boat.
Yeah, I mean, I like swimming at night. It was a good temperature. It just definitely, this sounds like a great time. So we're like, yeah. And he's like, yeah.
Might see a boat floating down
Oh,
there.
no.
Camera. And I was like, dang.
Hey, wait a minute.
I know you have a camera dash.
Hey, Bill. If her camera got wet, can you pull the board?
Yeah, well, what do you want, like pictures off of it?
Yeah, I mean, I've got the memory cards in it. I mean, they're fine. The camera just jumped out. Swimming with it.
Well, it's okay.
Well,
I'm
have
just
you
trying this
taken
one.
it apart? And let
Those
it
are
sit?
new.
No, I put it in the bag of rice.
What you should do is go home and take a
I
page.
just thought I'd try it and fold it out and put it away.
Leave it for 24 hours. Like in a window or something.
What's going on there? Did you bring that?
And then put it back in the power button.